This 6-minute video will walk you through the detailed steps to build your website as quickly as possible. You can access and edit your website from your mobile device, but the easiest way to do the initial build of your website is from your computer. First, let's build content. Open up a Word document and type these headlines on it. Then fill in what you want to say under each topic. If you would like an example, you can stop this video and take a look at what I've done. If you don't have a business name, go back and review step number 3 of the Build Your Business page. Once you have your content, you will simply copy and paste it into the boxes on the Build Your Website tool. References will automatically populate for you from the ratings and reviews that people write for you in the community. If you have existing references, you can have them rate you on the site, or you can use Canva and create images like we've done here. We will discuss logos in Canva in the next video. You may want to include pictures here of you in action, teaching students or doing what you do as a tutor. Be sure to get written permission from the parent of any children you have in the photos on your website. I will show you how to save these images into a media library in a moment. You will also need various URLs and online addresses to complete your website. So let's go ahead and get them now, and we'll paste them onto this document. First, you'll need your existing website URL. That's right here. Second, you're going to hit the little man right here in the corner, and you're going to go to your profile that you built, and you're going to copy this URL address that's up here. Lastly, if you have an online registration document, you're going to want that URL address as well. A few examples of online registration forms would be a Google document that you use to sign up for a waiting list, or a link to your existing website where people can go sign up for a newsletter. Finally, you will copy and paste the URLs of all of your social media links. So go to your Facebook site and Instagram and copy those. Now save the document, and we're going to come back to it shortly. Next, let's build your media library. If you have photos on your phone, you're going to want to move those into a file on your computer and on your desktop, like you see a few of these photos down here. You can do that through AirDrop, text, or email. If you need more photos, we've provided a royalty-free site called Pexels that you can access by clicking this link here. The site looks like this, and I've sorted for photos for education. And then you're simply going to click and drag these photos that you like to your desktop. You probably want to pick 10 to 15 photos because you want to load up your media library because it's free and you can change and rotate pictures out on your website anytime you want. To keep our website page load times fast, photos do need to be limited to 1280 pixels or less. You will also want to convert a couple of these photos into banners. No problem. We've provided for that by providing a free image sizer pretty much everywhere you see a photo on the Build Your Website tool. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this free image sizer. All you need to do is grab your pictures that you've saved to your desktops or in a folder and drag them here. Now, this photo is 633 pixels, is the biggest pixel, so we're okay. We don't need to size it. If this was over 1280, you want to take the larger number and change it to 1280, and you'll notice it will automatically recalculate the height. When you're done, click Resize the image. It's processing, and then you're going to download the image. So click here, and you're going to see the image download down here, and then you're going to simply drag that back onto your desktop and save it over the picture that you've already done. You're going to do this for all of the photos. Next, you'll create a few banner photos. you hit the crop image here and select an image and drop. The ideal size for cover photos that you're going to need for your website and profile is 1050 by 170. That's when you have bigger pictures. Notice that this is a smaller photo, so we're going to drag this all the way out to the side, and it's 600. Well, 1050 divided by 170 is 6, so this is a 6:1 ratio. So we're just going to take it to the height of 100. So now I have my 6:1 ratio. I'm going to crop it. I'm going to grab it from my downloads and drag it right to my desktop, and you can see I have a nice banner right there. You're going to want to size and create several banners for your profile and website so that you can freshen them up at any time. You can save them in your media library and use them anytime you want. Now you have all the photos you need and your content, and you're ready to build your website. You want to do this in 2 phases. First, go back to your Word document now and copy and paste the text from the Word document into the appropriate box on the Build Your Website tool. You're going to navigate all the way to the bottom. You're going to insert your links here. Your social media links will go here, and at the bottom you can input your contact information. That is optional. You don't have to have a phone number and address if you're not comfortable with that. And then click on Submit, and it's going to take you to your now partially completed website. You just click off the acknowledgement banner, and now let's go back and add all our photos. So click on Edit. It's going to take you back to the tool, and you're going to simply click on the Add Image button. The first time you do this, you won't see any pictures in here. This is where you now drag and drop all your photos in. If they're too large, you're going to see an error here, and the photo will be grayed out. If you want to delete a photo, you can do that here. But when you're ready now, you select the photo you want. So I want my logo, and we're going to select my logo, and there it is. And then for my cover photo, I'm going to select a banner. Notice it said select a banner, and I'm going to come select a banner ad, and I'm going to drop that in. It says select a banner there, and you're just going to do that all the way down the page. And as you come across these different colors, now you can choose the colors of your text, your headings, and your website colors. So this already has our codes in it. If you don't have codes, you can now build your codes, and by moving this little bubble around, and then you can make it lighter or darker. Once you get these codes that you like, be sure and write them down. They'll become part of your brand kit and your media kit. You don't have to hit anything, just select and keep going all the way down to the bottom, and then you're going to hit Submit, and now your website is going to be complete. We'll take a look at that. I've got all my colors. If I'm not happy with the colors, I can go change them. And notice your links are here. Everything's complete. Before we go, though, there's one more thing I want you to do. We're going to update now our profile. So copy this address, which is your new ESA website address. Copy that, and then hit the little person right here, and we're going to go to your profile. And then you're going to click on Edit here, and we're going to paste your new website address right here. If you haven't done your main website, if you have another website, you can paste that here, and then simply save, and then you can view your profile again. The last thing I want to point out is if your profile banner photo is cut off, it's because you put a regular photo in. Now you have some banner photos, so you click on this little camera. You can grab the folder off of your desktop and insert it here, and then to move it around till you get it like you want it, you can use this little tool and hit save, and you are now done. Your whole marketing profile is complete, and everything is linked together, and you're ready to market your business. Congratulations.